Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake tokens using Ambire Wallet on PC. Ambire Wallet is a powerful Web3 wallet that allows you to store, send and interact with decentralized application, and one of the most popular ways on passive income in crypto is by staking tokens. So staking allows you to unlock your tokens in a network or DeFi platform to earn rewards over time. So in this video I show you step by step on how to stake tokens using Ambire Wallet on your PC in a detailed and simple way. So first, staking means locking your crypto token supporting a blockchain network or DeFi protocol. So first, open any of the browser. In the top you can find this extension here. Go to this extension and go to this Ambire Wallet. And once open to this interface here, your token balance, your selected account, the corrected network. And once open to this dashboard here, check your token balance, selected account, the correct network, Ethereum, Polygon, etc. And you can also correct the network. Go to this three-line icon in the top right and go to this network over here. Once you get into this dashboard, you can select any of the network from here. As I'm going to select one of the Ethereum, and now you can connect any of the network from the chain list, or you can add network manually. And Ambire will open a pop-up asking for the connection approval and review the website name carefully. And that is it. That's how you stake tokens using Ambire Wallet on PC. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.